walking around. Wind is blowing, but there is Lucid Motor in the background right there. Huge parking lot. Huge. Lucid, this is their facility here at Casa Grande, Arizona. And from what I was being told by somebody that just came in, that the paint shop is right behind me. And I took an aerial of it, but because the company is going public today, let's see what today is. It's the 21st of February, 2021. And I just came from Nikola Motors, which is 25 miles the other direction east of here. We're just north of I-8, about 3 miles, I would guess, on Thornton Road. And this is the facility for Lucid Motors, the interesting car company that's coming out. And I've heard a CEO talk. Seems to be quite an interesting guy on some of the YouTube channels. But I wanted to let you know that they won't let me on the facility to shoot an aerial because of them, as I say, going public. And so this is as close as I can get to Lucid Motors building. But I hear from somebody else that that's just the paint shop back there that you'll see from my drone video. So it's not the whole production facility because they haven't finished construction of it yet. I don't know that for a fact. I'm hoping they'll let us have a tour eventually through the facility. But that's all here from Casa Grande, Arizona. See ya. Thanks for watching.